When we hear the word nature, our minds often conjure up images of lush green fields, dense forests, towering mountains, and flowing rivers. These are the familiar, comforting landscapes we associate with the natural world. But this perception is only a fraction of what nature truly encompasses. Nature is not confined to the boundaries of what we can see or easily comprehend. It is a vast, intricate network of life and matter that stretches from the smallest microorganisms beneath our feet to the furthest reaches of the cosmos. Our understanding of nature, shaped by limited experiences and education, often overlooks the profound depth and diversity that it holds. As children, we are taught to view nature in simplistic terms: trees, animals, the weather. But as we grow, it becomes essential to broaden this perspective. Today, let's embark on a journey to explore the true meaning of nature, unveiling its immense complexity and interconnectedness. This exploration will lead us to see nature not just as a backdrop for human activity, but as a living, breathing entity that we are intrinsically a part of. The diversity of life forms. Nature's diversity is one of its most remarkable characteristics. From the smallest of organisms to the largest creatures on Earth, every living being plays a unique role in the intricate web of life. Consider the microscopic bacteria, invisible to the naked eye, yet crucial to the survival of all life forms. These tiny organisms break down organic matter, recycle nutrients, and even help plants grow by fixing nitrogen in the soil. Without them, ecosystems would collapse. On the other end of the spectrum, we have the African elephant, a massive creature that can weigh up to several tons. Elephants shape their environment in profound ways, by uprooting trees, digging water holes, and dispersing seeds. Both the tiny bacteria and the giant elephant are indispensable parts of nature, each contributing to the balance and health of their ecosystems. The diversity of life extends into the oceans as well, where aquatic ecosystems teem with an incredible variety of species. From the minuscule plankton, which form the foundation of the marine food web, to the majestic blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, the ocean is a testament to nature's creativity and adaptability. These marine organisms are interconnected in ways that are still being discovered, with each species playing a role in maintaining the health of the oceanic ecosystem. Similarly, on land, the various ecosystems, forests, deserts, grasslands, are home to countless species, each adapted to survive in its unique environment. The interplay between these species, their habitats, and the climate creates a dynamic system where every element is vital to the whole. This highlights the incredible diversity of life on Earth and emphasizes that every living thing, no matter how small or large, is a crucial part of nature's grand design. The elements of nature. Beyond living organisms, nature is composed of fundamental elements that shape the environment and support life. The earth beneath our feet, for instance, is not just dirt and rocks. It is a complex mixture of minerals, organic matter, and microorganisms that create fertile soil. This soil is the foundation of terrestrial ecosystems, providing nutrients for plants, which in turn support herbivores and predators alike. The Earth's geology, from the smallest grains of sand to towering mountain ranges, influences the distribution of ecosystems and the availability of resources. Mountains act as natural barriers, affecting weather patterns and creating diverse habitats on either side. The rocks and minerals in the soil also play a crucial role in determining what plants can grow in a particular area, influencing the entire food chain. The atmosphere, another essential element of nature, is the protective blanket of gases that surrounds our planet. It regulates temperature, protects us from harmful solar radiation, and is the medium through which weather and climate are manifested. The air we breathe, composed primarily of nitrogen and oxygen, is a delicate balance that sustains life. Weather patterns, driven by the interaction of the atmosphere with the Earth's surface and oceans, shape the environments where life thrives. From gentle breezes to powerful storms, the atmosphere is in constant flux, influencing every aspect of life on Earth. Water, too, is an element of nature that is indispensable to life. It is the essence of life, covering over 70% of the Earth's surface and cycling through the atmosphere, oceans, rivers, and lakes in a continuous process that sustains ecosystems. Water shapes the land through erosion and deposition, and its availability determines the distribution of life. In deserts, life has adapted to survive with minimal water, while in rainforests, the abundance of water supports some of the most diverse ecosystems on the planet. Fire, often seen as a destructive force, is also a vital element of nature. It plays a key role in the renewal of ecosystems, particularly in grasslands and certain types of forests where periodic fires are necessary for the germination of seeds and the clearing of old vegetation. Fire helps maintain the balance of these ecosystems, allowing for new growth and the continuation of the cycle of life. Each of these elements, earth, air, water, and fire, is a fundamental part of nature's complex system. They interact with each other and with living organisms in ways that sustain life on Earth. This explores these interactions, revealing how the elements of nature are not just passive backdrops, but active participants in the dance of life. The cosmos and celestial bodies. Nature's reach extends far beyond the confines of our planet. The sun, the moon, and the stars are all integral parts of the natural world, influencing life on Earth in ways both obvious and subtle. The sun is the source of all energy on Earth, driving the processes that sustain life. Through photosynthesis, plants convert sunlight into chemical energy, forming the base of the food chain. The sun's energy also drives the water cycle and influences weather patterns, making it a central player in Earth's natural systems. The moon, with its gentle light, exerts a powerful influence on our planet as well. Its gravitational pull causes the tides, which are crucial for coastal ecosystems. The rhythms of life in many species, from the reproductive cycles of marine animals to the behaviors of birds, are synchronized with the lunar cycle. Beyond the immediate influence of the sun and moon, the entire solar system plays a role in shaping the environment on Earth. The gravitational interactions between planets, asteroids, and other celestial bodies contribute to the stability of Earth's orbit and climate. The Milky Way galaxy, our cosmic home, contains billions of stars and planets, each potentially hosting its own unique forms of nature. The sheer scale of the universe, with its vastness and complexity, reminds us that nature is not limited to what we can see or experience on Earth. It is a cosmic phenomenon, encompassing everything from the tiniest particles to the largest galaxies. This chapter takes a journey through the cosmos, exploring the celestial bodies that are part of nature's grand design and their impact on life on Earth. It encourages us to see nature as an interconnected whole, where the Earth is just one small part of a much larger, awe-inspiring universe. The interconnectedness of nature. At the heart of nature is the concept of interconnectedness. Every element, every organism, every system in nature is linked in a complex web of relationships that sustain life. Ecosystems, whether they are forests, oceans, or grasslands, are living examples of this interconnectedness. In an ecosystem, every species, from the smallest insect to the largest predator, has a role to play. These roles are interdependent, meaning that the survival of one species often depends on the presence and health of others. For instance, predators control the populations of herbivores, which in turn regulate the growth of plants. The plants, through photosynthesis, produce oxygen and provide food for herbivores. This cycle of life, death, and renewal is a delicate balance that is maintained through the interactions of all the components of the ecosystem. Biodiversity, the variety of life in all its forms, is a key aspect of this interconnectedness. The greater the biodiversity in an ecosystem, the more resilient it is to changes and disruptions. Each species adds to the complexity of the ecosystem, contributing to its stability and health. When biodiversity is lost, the entire system becomes more vulnerable to collapse. The balance of nature is also evident in the cycles that govern the flow of energy and matter. The water cycle, carbon cycle, and nitrogen cycle are just a few examples of how nature operates in loops, with resources being recycled and reused over and over again. These cycles are critical for maintaining the conditions necessary for life on Earth. Disruptions to these cycles, such as those caused by human activities, can have far-reaching consequences, affecting not just individual species, but entire ecosystems. This delves into the concept of interconnectedness, exploring how the different elements of nature are linked together in a vast, intricate web. It highlights the importance of understanding these connections and the need for preserving the balance of nature. By seeing nature as a unified whole, where every part is essential to the health of the system, we can better appreciate the complexity and beauty of the world around us. We have talked about many aspects of the nature till now, but the most important and special feature of the nature, without which the term nature is incomplete, is still remaining, which is the human connection to nature. Humans are an integral part of nature, deeply intertwined with the ecosystems that surround us. From the food we eat to the air we breathe, our survival is inextricably linked to the natural world. Despite our technological advancements and modern lifestyles, we remain fundamentally dependent on nature's resources and services. There are a lot of essential elements which binds humans to the nature, out of which some are food and agriculture, water and hydration, air and respiration, medicine and health, shelter and materials, energy and sustainability, recreation and mental well-being. ecosystem services, and human dependency. Now, as we've journeyed through the vast expanse of what nature truly encompasses, it's clear that nature is far more than the picturesque landscapes we often imagine. It is a complex, interconnected web of life and elements, from the smallest microorganism to the largest celestial bodies, all playing a role in the grand tapestry of existence. We, as humans, are not separate from this web, but a crucial part of it. Our food, water, air, and even our mental well-being are intricately tied to the natural world. Every breath we take, every meal we eat, and every moment of peace we find in nature is a reminder of our deep connection to this planet and the broader universe. Yet, this connection comes with responsibility. As stewards of the Earth, it is our duty to protect and preserve the ecosystems that sustain us. We must recognize that our actions, both individually and collectively, have a profound impact on the health of the planet and, in turn, on our own well-being. In understanding the true scope of nature, we gain not only a deeper appreciation for its beauty and complexity but also a clearer sense of our place within it. By embracing this understanding, we can live more harmoniously with the natural world, ensuring that the incredible diversity and balance of life that sustains us continues to thrive for generations to come. So, as we conclude this exploration, let us carry forward a renewed commitment to nurturing and protecting the nature that nurtures us. Remember, every action we take can either contribute to the preservation of this delicate balance or disrupt it. The choice is ours, and the time to act is now. Thanks a lot for joining me on this journey to rediscover the true meaning of nature. Stay tuned for more insights as we continue to explore the wonders of our world and our place within it. Have a great day.